Hello everybody, here I will show you how to easily export Jotform to Google Sheets automatically. Imagine this. You've worked hard to create a Jotform for collecting data, feedback, or any information you need. Now you're stuck manually transferring each piece of data to Google Sheets. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, because today we're going to solve this problem together. By the end of this video, you'll know how to automatically export Jotform submissions to Google Sheets, saving you time and effort, and letting you focus on what really matters. Let's jump right into the process. First, you need to head over to jotform.com. If you haven't signed in yet, you can do so easily by using your Google account, Microsoft account, or simply with an email and password combination. Signing in is quick, and once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are neatly organized. Now, find the specific form you want to connect with Google Sheets. Clicking on it will take you to the form builder. At the top of the page, you'll notice an orange navigation bar. From there, click on Settings. This section is crucial because it allows you to customize how your form functions and interacts with other services. Once you're in the Settings area, look to the menu on the left and click on Integrations. This is a very important step because this section contains all the possible integrations available to you. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. When you see it in the list, click on it to begin setting up the connection. You now have a choice to make. Decide whether you want to create a brand new spreadsheet for your form's data, or if you want to use an existing spreadsheet. This decision depends on how you prefer to organize your data. After making your choice, you'll need to connect your Google account. Jotform will request permission to integrate seamlessly with Google Sheets, so make sure you allow this access. Rest assured, this is a secure process and is necessary for the automatic data transfer to function properly. Next, let's fine-tune the integration settings. Choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. You also have the option to select which fields from your form will be sent to Google Sheets. Plus, you can decide whether to include existing submissions or only future entries. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save to finalize the setup. This will ensure that your data flows smoothly from Jotform to Google Sheets without any additional effort on your part. But wait, there's more. There's another method to achieve this automation, and that's through Zapier. If you're familiar with Zapier, you know it's a powerful tool for creating automated workflows between apps. In the integration section, search for Zapier. Once there, find Google Sheets and create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. For this app, select Jotform as the trigger app and New Submission as the trigger event. This means that whenever a new submission is received in Jotform, it triggers an action in another app, which in our case is sending data to Google Sheets. Don't forget to authenticate your accounts with Zapier to ensure everything works smoothly. Once that's done, create the Zap. Just like with the direct integration, you'll need to choose which Jotform form to connect and map the fields to your Google Sheets. Once everything is set up, you can sit back and enjoy the automatic transfers of data between Jotform and Google Sheets. And there you have it. 2 straightforward methods for exporting Jotform submissions to Google Sheets automatically. Whether you opt for the direct integration or decide to use Zapier, you'll be able to manage your data efficiently with minimal manual intervention. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to easily export Jotform to Google Sheets automatically. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.